What's up, you fuckers? Let me show you just a sneak peek. We haven't even entered the beta yet. We haven't even actually started the beta yet. We're actually not launching it till Friday or Monday. Sorry. We had a little bit of delays, just trying to fix a couple fucking bugs. But we haven't even launched the beta yet, and look how sexy this already actually is. Here's all my friends. You can see all my friends on my friends list. You can see the people that I've actually unfriended. You can see that I've unfriended people. This person I actually had some messages with. Let's see him. What type of messages did I actually have with this person, but we're no longer friends. Let's see. Where's my message history with this person? So I did have 3 messages with him. They were all automated from Birthday Wisher, which Friender will actually be able to do. Let's go back to my friends list real quick. Let's go down here and let's look at this person and this person. This is, where are they at? This is one of my friends, Michael O'Day. This is another one of my friends, Robert. All right. So I got this friend Robert right here. I got this friend actual Michael right here. But I can see that Michael and Robert, they've never interacted with any of my stuff. They've never commented on any of my stuff. And we don't actually have any message history. If I actually look, it's not like we've been messaging each other. I've sent them one message, and I sent this person one message, it looks like. I can see that right in Friender. I've sent them one message. That's only been a one-way conversation. It's never been a two-way conversation. It's never been a two-way conversation. Hey, check this out right here. Boom. What about light mode? Oh, light mode! Ha 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 ha. So sexy, right? It's so sexy. I'm telling you, you guys want to get into this fucking beta program. You want to. This is going to be the best software in the fucking world. Look how sexy it already actually is. But anyways, hey, these guys don't meet my actual criteria. So guess what I'm going to do? I'm going to unfriend them. All right. Now, again, like I said, we got a couple issues that we're still working out. We haven't even launched the beta yet. We're literally bringing together, We're literally bringing together all of our software. Friend Connector, Genius Messenger CRM, Group Monkey, Post Profits, Birthday Wisher, Friend Disconnector, Methanevan, Engagement Monster, Post Scheduler, Just Invite, Post Filter Pro, Group Flu, Winner Chicken Dinner. We're literally, all these softwares we've already built over the last 3 years. We have like a combined 15,000 user base using these softwares every single day. We're putting them all into one smart platform that's smarter, that's better, that is going to actually streamline your organic marketing so you can save time and make more money, all right? That's what we're actually doing. It looks like, guess what? I've now unfriended those people, all right? So if I come over here and actually look at this person and I just refresh, guess what? We're not even friends anymore. Haha, I unfriended him automatically, and I can do this automatically with the software. Guess what? Unfriended, not even friends anymore, all right? So I can see I've already actually unfriended 4 people, all right? So I've unfriended 4 people already. I still have a lot of friends left. I've whitelisted these people because these are actually good friends of mine. So you can see I've had 2,000 messages with this person, 15,000 messages with this person. So these people are actually whitelisted. These people I've actually completely unfriended. These are my friends. I can see basically, does this actually work? Yeah, this works. So I can see based on, here are all my top engagers and leaving reactions. These are my top commenters over the last, this is just over 15 days, I think. So mostly male. I can see most of my audience is actually male. So then I can just actually go in and say, hey, people who've never actually commented, let's look at those people. Now, the people that don't have a lot of messages, I could go in and begin to actually unfriend them, or I could just actually refresh this list and probably just go to the end, and I can start to actually find people like these people right here, this guy right here, this girl right here. Again, I'll just show you one more time. They're my friend. I can see I'm friends with that person. I can see I'm friends with this person. I can see never had a message with that person. Oops. I can see never had a message with that person. So those people I've never actually messaged, guess what? Now I can also do this on autopilot, don't worry. I'm telling you, you guys are gonna love this software when we're out of beta. You definitely wanna join the beta because it's a huge deal that you're getting, and I'm personally coaching and mentoring you and teaching you everything I know that's allowed me to generate over $5 million in sales revenue from organic marketing on Facebook. All right, and Friender's going to help you automate so much of that. I'm just giving you a sneak peek right now because I want you guys to see how powerful this is and how powerful it's actually going to be. Those people unfriended already, unfriended. All right, so I'm already cleaning up my friends list. Like I said, we're bringing together so much software that we've already built, and is all different softwares. You know, all these different softwares we're actually bringing together into one platform. All these actual different softwares to make it so much smarter, so much more streamlined, to actually help you automate, to help you get more leads, cut dead weight, get more engagement, send more messages, organize people, streamline your sales process, ultimately make a lot more money and save a lot of time. So if you think this is something that you're actually interested in, and you think you'd like somebody like me who's made over 5 million, who's literally made over $5 million, I got all these different Stripe accounts. We're just actually going to, let's look at one of them, which is my personal case study that I've actually done from just random strangers on Facebook. You can see in the last 12 months, I've almost made $1 million in the last 12 months. Since I started organic marketing, $4.7 million in this actual Stripe account that I've made from random strangers on Facebook. I'm gonna be personally actually helping you, holding your hand, coaching you, mentoring you, teaching you everything that I actually know, not just about organic marketing, but how you can actually automate the entire process. From lead generation all the way to closing the deal, helping you automate as much as you can and stay personal when you need to actually stay personal, so that you can make more money in your business and you can have more time to spend doing the things that you actually love to do. So I'm going to give you the best software in the fucking world. I'm going to give you a whole bunch of different softwares that are already built that you can use right now today. I'm going to coach you, I'm going to mentor you, I'm going to guide you to actually help you make more money this year, to help you save more time this year, and just overall be fucking richer and happier this year. And we're going to be and you're going to get access to Friender at a huge discount. And when it's all said and done, then it will be the only software that you actually need to use for organic marketing. You're crazy as fuck if you don't actually join this program. So if you're crazy as fuck and you don't want to join the program, that's totally fine. I'm also crazy, but I'm actually in the program. But if you want to join the program, look, just send me a message. Just send me a message and we'll get you all taken care of.